Welcome to Sapporo! Cheers! Good morning! Today is our last day here in Tokyo. It's May 19 today and time check, it's 8:30 a.m. Ayan na ang mga kasama natin. Ayan na ang mga bagahe. Today is our flight to Sapporo via ANA again. So we'll share with you our experience flying with ANA domestic from Tokyo to Sapporo. So again, na-avail namin yung free domestic travel promo ni ANA. Yung presyo ng ticket namin na nakuha namin, Manila, Tokyo, a few days here in Tokyo, and then Tokyo to Sapporo, 4 days in Sapporo, and then back to Manila. It came out to 30,000 pesos per person. So, considering yung prices ng ibang airlines, at the time of booking, ANA still appeared to be the cheapest at the time. Kaya kami napunta ng Tokyo and Sapporo. So there, papunta na kami sa airport. Haneda Airport nga pala kami ngayon going to Sapporo. We'll see you later! Bye, Tokyo! See you, Sapporo! We're ready to go. Ayan na, nakapila na ang mga maleta. That's the Airbnb nga pala ulit. It's 3 floors with a balcony on top pa. So, okay naman. By the way, kamusta yung experience natin sa Airbnb? Comfortable naman, no? Yeah. Nice naman. And it was clean also when we arrived. And roomy, yes, maluwang. Plus, 3 toilets and 2 baths. So, sobrang sulit for groups, for big groups. Hindi kayo mahihirapan. Anyway, we're going to the station. It's a 15-minute walk from here. May mas malapit na station, pero yung mas malapit kay Haneda is the other station, which is a 15-minute walk. So, doon na lang kami pupunta. Hello! Nandito na kami sa Yahiro Station. Kaya lang yung train na papunta ng Haneda Airport na nadat na namin kanina, it was full. As in, sobrang puno. And so far, dito sa area natin, parang ito lang yung easy access going to Haneda Airport, no?
Yeah.
This train station talaga.
And ano din? Going to
Narita.
Narita Airport.
Oo, kaya lang
One ride.
puno yung train na papunta ng Haneda Airport. So we have to wait for the next one. So hopefully umabot kami sa flight namin. Maaga pa naman. It's 9:30. Yung susunod na train na dadating is 9:33 a.m. Hala. Eh di ba sarado nga?
Hindi, ayan, may mga tao eh. Lipat tayo. Tara.
Oh, wait lang. Kabilang platform yata daw kami. Okay. O, di ba? Nasa kabilang platform pala kami. Buti na lang napansin. Dito pala kami sa platform 1 kasi kanina nung dumating kami, sarado tong papunta sa platform 1. Anyway, we'll wait for our train. We'll see you in Haneda, hopefully. Hello, we're already here at Haneda Airport. Success naman kami dun sa train ride namin kahit local siya. Nasa Terminal 2 si ANA Domestic Flights. So ito na siya. There's the check-in area for ANA. Ito yung check-in area niya. Let's see kung dito tayo. This is Haneda Domestic Airport. O ngayon pwede daw kaming mag automated baggage drop. Dito kami tinuro. So tingnan natin kung pwede tayo. Let's see if it works. What do we do? Select your language, English. Please put check-in baggage. If you have more than 1 baggage to check in, please put baggage 1 by 1. Okay. Daddy, patayo yan. Hindi kasya eh.
Hindi, kailangan nakahiga. Hindi siya kasya.
Ano nangyayari? Ayaw niya?
Sige nga, subukan kami sa'yo.
Please adjust the orientation of the bag to fit within the black lines. Where's the black line? Ayun yung black line. There. It's taller. Ayaw. We'll ask. Hindi magkasya yung bag namin.
Hindi kayang patay. Ayun.
Ayan. It has to be like this, yung orientation niya.
Oo. Yes.
And then you scan your barcode. Confirm. Yes. Check your items. Confirm. Yes. And then, confirm your sector. Okay, Haneda to Sapporo. That's right. And then, magpiprint yung baggage tag here. You attach to the bag. And then, naka-ano na siya. Attachable na siya. Sticker na siya. Okay. There.
Bakit?
And then,
Ba't returning? Why returning here?
Yes. Okay. Please be careful. Dog will be closed. Checking the baggage, weight, size, label. Everything's okay. So, yay! We have our claim tag.
yay.
Okay. Kaming dalawa ni Daddy, we're okay. Itong dalawa na mo problema. Oh, wait. Ayaw tanggapin yung tag na nasa gilid. It has to be here. So, they have to remove the damit of the luggage. Binalik yung luggage nila. Oh, tignan natin. Nagkakagulo po sila. Ayun. Oh, so, hindi pwedeng may damit. Dapat yung bilhin yung damit yung may butas.
Sadya talaga yung size na sakto lang yung bag.
Oo. Okay, oh. Cleared. Both.
Naka-stress?
Okay, nakaka-stress.
Kailangan makapagkasya yung maleta.
Kala namin hindi magkakasya. Kami kasi nun sa Sapporo, hindi kami dito pinapunta. Hindi daw kasya yung maleta. That's what they said. Yeah, they used the same thing. No, it's the same height. Pareho lang yan. Success. Okay. Kaya lang yung mga bagahe natin mapupunta ng ano, ibang airport pa.
Hindi naman.
Wag naman. Joke lang. Nakuha nyo na? Claim tag? Success. Okay, all of us successful.
Very convenient, easy.
Very convenient, pero na-stress kami ng slide.
Ilang paghanap ng ano dito no?
Na-stress kami ng slide kasi hindi namin alam kung anong gagawin. At ayaw magkasya nung bagahe namin nung una.
May makain.
Kasi nung una, ayaw magkasya nung baggage namin. Kailangan, saktong-sakto siya kasi dun sa large. Pero kasya naman siya. Anyway, it's 11 a.m. 12 noon pa yung flight namin. Pero I think we're going inside na.
Yeah.
Doon na kami mag-aantay sa pre-dep area.
Dalawa lang pwede kong dali.
So, dito kami papasok sa Gate A. Pero I think Gate A and B connected naman. There, it says, you are here. Gate 59 kami. There. Pasok muna kami security. Nandito na kami sa pre-dep. Nakapasok na kami ng security. Mabilis lang naman. Walang masyadong pila. Medyo nagka-problema lang yung iba sa boarding pass. Naghahang kasi yung machine. But other than that, okay naman. So we're here. Narita. Yeah, kasi domestic siya. So no passport needed. Yung boarding pass mo lang. So last trip namin, Narita Airport kami. Kaya iba yung itsura ng domestic airport. Mas maganda yung domestic airport ni Haneda. Yeah, this is better. Yung kay Narita parang bus station. Oo, parang Terminal 4. Hello, we just got an announcement na delayed yung flight namin pero 10 minutes lang naman. So, instead of 12 noon, 12:10 daw kami aalis. By the way, we are wearing our family shirts again. Ayan. Para masulit. Pare-pareho na naman kami ng mga t-shirt. By the way, yung wifi pala namin for Japan, kinuha na lang namin yung roaming ni Globe. Kasi Globe has Japan roaming na 20 gig good for 30 days for 1,100 pesos. But for the others, they got eSIM. Yeah, they got eSIM for how much?
Yung kay Alvin kasi,
1 gig per day.
Sa akin, 10 gig for 15 days.
Yung eSIM na nakuha nila is 500 something, yung 10 gig for 15 days. Ay, yung sa kanya, 300 something, pero kasi 1 gig per day yung allowance niya. Tapos valid for how many days? 15 days din. 15 days din. Okay, so we'll wait for our flight first.
ります。お飲み物お伺いしております。いかがでしょうか？
What is this one?
It's green tea and apple juice and water or coke.
Apple juice. Apple juice.
Is it the table? Thank you for flying with ANA and our Star Alliance partner. We look forward to seeing you again.
And we have already landed here in Sapporo. Welcome, Sapporo. Time check is 1:50 p.m. So, baggage claim muna kami. And then, we will go to our hotel. We are booked now at Coco Hotel here in Sapporo. Malapit lang din siya dun sa Airbnb area namin last time. Nandito na kami sa baggage claim. Medyo nararamdaman ko na yung lamig sa labas.
Ano kaya yun? Hindi aircon?
Malamig.
Siguro
Ha?
aircon?
Parang tingnan natin. We're already out. Nakuha na namin yung luggage namin. So ngayon, we will take the train going to Sapporo Station kasi nandun sa Susukino area yung hotel namin. Ngayon, we are booked at Coco Hotel. It's actually near the Airbnb place also that we booked last time. So nasa may Susukino area din siya. JR train is going down. So baba muna kami doon. Ayan, Rapid Airport is 219 and 229. Let's see. Ito na si New Chitose Airport Station. So, bibili muna kami ng ticket for our Airport Express going to Sapporo. I think we can buy our tickets here. So, dito kami sa cash and credit card. Ayan. If you need reserved seats. Yung normal na lang tayo, 1,230.
Okay.
It's 1,230 yen kung yung normal seats.
Thank you.
There. Okay. Choose language, ticket purchase. So, bili muna kami ng ticket namin going to Sapporo.
Airport train, this one.
Yeah, airport train. What time? This is 2:90 na. Abutin ba natin? Wag, o sa 2:29 na.
229 na.
For two, right?
For 8.
For 8.
Yeah.
The maximum is 7.
Okay. So, we can buy 4.
No reserved one?
Non-reserve.
Then time doesn't matter if you take in the train.
We
Oh,
can take
great,
any
great.
train. Okay.
ところまでと、まずね、まず。
Okay. Then we'll pay through GCash. Okay, sabi niya time doesn't matter if it's non-reserved. We can take any train naman pala. So kung ano na lang yung abutan natin.
Yeah.
Okay. So there, it's 4,920 yen. And here are our tickets. We already have our tickets. We just got the non-reserved seats kasi matatanda naman na kami.
Ayun lang.
We can take any train pala kasi non-reserved seat naman siya. So kung ano yung abutan natin, going to Sapporo. Merong 229 na. Hindi na natin maabutan yung 219. Okay, we go in here. Ayan, platform 2 yung 229 kung yun yung maabutan natin. Insert ticket. There, and then get. Insert. There. kami sa train. Medyo namroblema na naman kami sa mga luggage. Nasa dulo naman kami. Ayan. So hopefully, hindi naman kami makaistorbo. Kasi wala siyang all cars ng non-reserved, wala siyang luggage area. We are here in Sapporo Station. Ramdam na yung lamig, ah.
Yes!
Malamig.
Let's enjoy this lamig.
Oh, lalakarin na lang daw namin from Sapporo Station to our area in Susukino. Kasi 600 meters away. Ang reward nyo naman today, after nyo maglakad, mag-buffet na tayo. Yay! Wala nang mag-snack. Kaya nga. Oh.
Lakad ka muna sa Saturday.
Okay, we will walk first. Medyo nagsara na kami ng mga jacket. Sa Tokyo, share ko lang, no? Sa Tokyo, tanggal, init. Init, tanggal tayo, init. Ngayon, sarado natin yung jacket. Ang lamig. Kailangan isara. Kaya? Yes. Okay, we will walk na. Labas tayo ng East Gate. Tingnan natin kung tama yung side na to. I think this is the nearest exit to our hotel.
Follow the leader.
Ayan, going to Odori Park and Susukino. We exit. Thank you. And then we go to South Exit. So, dun tayo sa side ng Odori Park, Susukino District. Ito na, they're anticipating ang weather sa labas. Tingnan natin. Malamig. Alright, we're here. This is Sapporo Station. Here. Ayan na. Welcome to Sapporo.
Here we are.
Welcome! Hello, nandito na kami sa underground walkway going to Namboku Line from Stellar Place. So, titingnan namin kapag dinire-diretso namin to ng lakad if we will end up in Odori, Susukino underground walkway also. So, hindi na namin kailangan mag-train. Balitaan ko kayo kung doon din kami lulusot. So, galing kami ng Stellar Place, doon sa Sapporo Station. Tapos, bumaba kami doon sa underground walkway, supposedly yung sakayan ng subway. So, if this goes all the way, edi okay na. Yung concern lang naman namin kasi ng paglakad is it's raining. Umaambon. So, kung dito kami maglalakad, it's okay. Guys, pit stop halfway. Hindi na kinaya yung gutom. Nag-pit stop kami ng Mr. Donut, si Pondering. Kasi hindi pa kami nagla-lunch. Tapos sobrang quick breakfast lang kami kaninang umaga. Hindi na umabot sa buffet.
Pinagpapawisan ako malamig.
Di ba yung texture niya parang mochi? Ito yung
Parang nasa marshmallow.
siya yung sikat dito. Siya yung bestseller nila. Feeding ko.
Diba yung texture?
Masarap naman.
Sarap siya talaga.
You like it?
It's chewy.
Yeah, chewy. Very good. Best description, it's chewy. Quick stop kami and then we go walk again. So mukhang meron nga, no? Diretso sa Susukino area, Daddy. Mukhang dire-diretso nga to hanggang sa hotel namin. Hindi kasi kami nakapunta dito before. So ngayon lang namin nalaman na may underground walkway pala. And we're out sa Kabihasnan. Oh my God, may daan pala sa baba. Siyempre, hindi namin siya na-discover last time. So, hindi na kami nag-train. Naglakad na lang kami all the way from Sapporo Station up to here. Basically, dun tayo galing. That building. That's Sapporo Station. That was it. So, andito na yung kanto ng hotel namin. Ito po ang Sapporo. Yan po ang itsura.
Gusto ko yung vibe dito.
Oh, na-excite na po sila.
Yes!
Ang mga bagong salta ng Sapporo.
Bago salta kami dahil kami probinsya.
Ano na naman cruising?
Baliktad. Dahil kami city, pumunta kami, mas gusto namin dito.
Our hotel is somewhere there, sa may 7-Eleven. So, lakad muna kami. Galing kami doon, nandun si Parko. So, eto na si Coco Hotel. Hello! Excited. Dito kami nag-book kay Coco Hotel. Here. So, tingnan din natin yung itsura ng rooms niya. I'll give you a quick room tour also. Pag pasok natin sa room.
So reservation name.
Reservation under this one, yes. Yeah,
Okay.
correct.
4 rooms.
4 rooms, yes.
Stay 3 nights.
Yeah.
Excuse me. So okay. Please pay the accommodation tax.
Okay.
Sapporo City.
Uh-huh.
So 1 people 1 night 300 yen. Yes. Accommodation tax.
Okay.
Stay 3 nights. 4
Per
rooms.
person, yes.
Yes. Cardで
Okay.
はい。
7,200.
Oo.
Oh,
Japanese hot soup. My hotel is a
hot soup.
yes.
Japanese dashi soup.
Yeah.
We have free
In
dashi soup.
Hokkaido.
In Hokkaido.
Ah,
Yes.
thank you.
Arigato.
Thank you so much. Arigato.
Present
Thank you.
We have free soup. Ito mga to, nangongolekta na ng skincare, ay ng mga ano, ng amenities dito sa baba. So what do they have? They have cleansing oil, foaming wash, lotion, skincare oil, wow, razor, shaving gel, hairbrush, toothbrush, mouthwash, body towel. This is the coffee. Coffee, milk, and creamer. Nice. They're free amenity buffet. Kami mamaya na lang. Ito nga pala yung lobby niya. This is how it looks like. Maliit lang siya. This is our room.
May tukso lang.
There we go. Ayan. Here's our room. Quick room tour. This is the bed. Merong pajama. May nightwear na kasama. And here's the table. My chair. Drawer. Cups. The water heater. And the ref. Yan. There's the free Wi-Fi also. And there's the TV. Ayan si Daddy. Oh, ito na yung kwarto. Spacious naman. Let's go to the restroom. Ay, palabas yung door. Here's the restroom. There's the toilet. My cups, the sink. And this is the shower area. Ayan naman yung shampoo, conditioner, and body soap nila. Nice. But it's clean. And the towels. Meron din siyang small storage space dito sa may door. Yan. And a full-length mirror here. So, that's it. This is the room. Okay naman siya. Good enough for 2 people. Hindi naman siya sobrang cramped yung itsura. So, we're going to freshen up lang for a little bit and we will be walking around sa Tsukino area after. So, we'll see you later. Diba? Meron na naman ako mga makukulit na bisita dito sa kwarto. Hindi pa nga kami nagsisettle down. Kinuha... Nasa pinakadulo kasi sila ng isang hallway. Sila yung nahiwalay sa amin. So ngayon, proud na proud sila. Mas maganda daw yung room nila. Oh, let's see. Puntahan ko daw at i-vlog ko yung kwarto nila. Shh. Dito sila sa dulo. Dulong-dulo talaga. Oh, may pattern pa. Ah. Okay. Oh, this is their room. Oh, yeah! Mas maluwag! Oh, that's what you get for getting the corner room. Oh, this is their room. It's nice nga. It's really like a bedroom.
Yes.
Oh.
Bigger na. Have you checked your CR na?
Yes. Can you see? Same lang. Ibang orientation lang. Ganito din yung restroom namin. Nice.
Look here.
Ito yung area na medyo nagpaluwang sa kanila. But this is also the same superior room, ah.
Parehas nga.
Yeah, same category. So, ito naman yung TV nila.
May TV pala.
At saka yung desk nila. Oh, proud na proud sila sa view
Parang
nila.
dalawa yung window na.
Dalawa kami, isa lang.
Ah.
O, yung main road.
Oo.
Saan tayo naglakad? Oo.
May parking kayo sa harap.
Yan. O, diba? Ang kulit lang nila. But anyway, at least okay naman siya.
Oo, diba?
Makikipagpalit na naman kami. Palit pala tayo. Mas malaki pala to.
Ang luwag, no?
Oo. Dito pala kami ni Daddy.
Oo, dapat talaga. Ay, magkano ito?
Let me just share with you kung magkano namin siya nakuha sa Agoda. So again, we have 4 rooms, good for 3 nights, all superior rooms. So we got it for 39,607.83 pesos for all of us. So 3,300 lang siya per night for 2 packs dito kay Coco Hotel. Hello, we're out again. Tingnan nyo, nagpalit na kami ng mga makakapal na jacket. Tatry namin kumain ulit kay Seafood Buffet Nanda. Again, from my previous vlog, yung unlimited seafood buffet na nagustuhan namin. And since we're back here in Sapporo, we want to try it again dahil nagustuhan namin siya talaga. So, para matry din nila. I didn't call ngayon for reservation, so we'll see if we can walk in sa restaurant. Hopefully. Kasi Tuesday naman ngayon. We're here. Dito yung building niya, Cyber City. And then, nasa B2 siya. So, we go down, basement 2. Yay! Pwede! Success!
Card?
No, yeah.
I'm sorry? Philippines.
Philippines. This is our second time here. Thank you. Yeah. Yeah. We're coming back. So, ito yung bill namin. Pay first. Daddy, anong kinuha mo? Baka yung 60 minutes yung kinuha mo.
90.
Yung 90. 90 minutes. It's 30,961 in peso divided by 8. So, 3,870 per person. 3,870 per person.
Pork.
Wagyu. Raw, so you need to barbecue. Yes, here.
Itong dito,
There.
10 minutes po.
Ah, okay. This side, 10 minutes, cook well. Look at that. Okay, look at that.
80 minutes, 90 minutes, 80 minutes is the last order. Okay, you can bring the food until 80 minutes, 90 minutes is the finish, it's go out, okay? Okay?
Okay.
Don't left over. Food.
No leftover.
No, don't left over. Okay.
Kahit nasunog,
Okay.
kakain. Oo. So, be careful. Yes. Alright, our timer starts now. Salamat also. We're here again. Ayan na. nakasalang na. And hairy crab waiting. Ayan naman yung sa kabilang table. Just remember, no leftover ha. No leftover. 3,000 yen penalty for everybody.
Per person.
Per person, yes. Kain muna kami para masulit. Meron din kami nito. Ito si flower crab, Daddy, no? Flower crab and more of this. This one is easier to eat. Let's eat a little bit of Wagyu. Ready na tayo with crab. Let's put on our gloves. Ah, look at that! Sarap. Welcome. Sarap! Look at that. Imagine for 3,800 pesos, you have all these seafood selection and you have Wagyu. So, sulit siya. And dumadami na yung tao. Buti na una kami. Pwede naman din walk-in. Just hope and pray na walang masyadong tao. I guess better for you to come early para may table pa kayo.
Dumating kami ng 6.
Yeah, we arrived 6 p.m.
6 ba?
Let's try this flower crab. Look at that. Sabi ni Daddy, masarap daw to. Hindi ko siya kinain before kasi natakot ako sa itsura niya. Kasi tingnan niyo yung itsura niya. But we will try it now. Sabi si Daddy, favorite niya to sa lahat ng buong crab. Diba?
Oo. Oo. Doon sa mga buo.
Kasi sa hair.
Gusto ko.
Paano nyo kinakain? Look at the alige. Meron din silang giant crab, ay giant alimasag. Na-curious ako. Ang laki niya. Let's try! Ang laki! Other group, kamusta? Di nawawala ng laman yung grill nila. Busy. Busy. Enjoying? Okay. Alam niyo, ang sarap talaga nitong hairy crab. Ako, ito yung favorite ko.
Dati, favorite ko.
Kamusta? Ano, ubos na? Ubos lahat?
Masarap yung ice cream, kaya lang, mamadali ko.
Masarap yung matcha ice cream, no? Masarap yung matcha ice cream.
May kakakabulag.
1 minute.
We have 1 minute left from the timer. Pero tapos naman na.
5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Oh.
Time's up!
Hindi ako kumakain ng ilong.
Tapos naman na kami. Tapos na kayo? Sakto?
Mag-wash na ng hands.
Ako rin mag-wash.
Okay. We made it. 90 minutes. We're done. We're done eating at Seafood Nanda. O, kamusta sa mga first-timers?
Ang first time,
Ano?
kami lagi.
Craving kamusta?
Ano? Sulit? Sulit? Ha?
No crab.
Imagine
Hairy
for...
crab.
Yeah.
No crab.
All crab. King crab. Scallops, oysters.
Wagyu.
Oyster.
Oysters and yung isa pa, abalone.
Tapos meron pang shrimps. So all kinds of seafood plus wagyu beef. Only 3,800 pesos. Kasi sa Pilipinas wala ka nang mahanap na ganung presyo. Yes. Kaya sulit. Ayan si hairy crab, oh. There, ganyan.
Sabi ko nga,
Oh,
yan na
ito.
yung binayad mo eh, 9,600 eh.
Oh, ito
yan
isa
ang-
lang yan. Correct. Itong restaurant na to, no?
Nagsawa ko dyan eh.
O, di ba ito magkano? 9,600 isa?
500 grams.
Oh, 500 grams. Ikaw naka 1 kilo ka. Ay, baka 3 kilo yung nakain mo.
Dati hindi ko nabalikan yung uni. Dalawa lang
Okay, success ulit kami kay Seafood Nanda. Sobrang sulit siya. So ngayon, maglalakad-lakad na lang kami muna dito sa Susukino area. Dahil busog na busog kami from the buffet. Gusto naming mag-dessert. Magka-kremiya kami. It's over there. Ayan, si kremiya. We're here again. We're gonna get kremiya. Oy, iba na yung tugtog ni ate. Iba siya. We have our kremiya.
Ako pinipigil kasi ako ng ice cream.
Cheers, kremiya. Picture ba? Hindi naman, picture lang yun. Hindi naman niya video eh.
Uy, kinain ko rin. Palaman yan.
Diba yung kinain ko rin sa akin eh.
Picture lang ah.
Bawas na yun, no? Bawas na yung mga yun.
Kremiya. Samantha.
Mas creamy-er. Creamy-er. Kumain tayong creamy.
Creamy-er daw.
Mas creamy-er.
Creamy-er daw dito.
Hindi nasa Hokkaido kayo.
Kaya nga eh. Mas Hokkaido-er.
Ba't ako feeling ko is the same?
Same lang. Ah, okay.
In fairness, ang daming bumibili ngayon ng kremiya.
Hindi ko naalala kung sarap pa na.
Parati siya may pila.
Diba? Yun doon parang vanilla tsaka
Hello, we're already back in our hotel. So after flying here to Sapporo, nag-dinner lang kami sa Seafood Buffet Nanda. And again, it was a good experience. Sulit siya and natuwa naman yung mga kasama namin. So that's good. So ngayon, time check is 8:45. Magpapahinga na muna kami because we left early this morning for our flight. And by the way, we had a good experience also flying with ANA. Very stress-free, pati yung check-in process niya, it was very quick. And yung service naman din nila was very good. So thank you again, ANA, for the good service. So that's it for today. We'll end our first day in Sapporo here. Good night!